Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating prerequisites: Grafana installed, data source reachable, and credentials ready. Once done, add your data source and configuration so queries will return metrics. Then create a folder to organize dashboards and click New Dashboard to add your first panel. For the first actionable step, open the query editor and run a simple metric query to verify data. Make sure to save the dashboard early and name panels clearly so you avoid confusion later. Next, you build each panel. Craft queries that return accurate time series and test them across multiple time ranges. Once you see expected results, pick the appropriate visualization: graph for trends, gauge for single value health, table for raw rows. Then tune axes, unit formats, and thresholds to make data readable. Use template variables to reuse queries and create dynamic dashboards, and add panel links so viewers can drill down. Make iterative adjustments until panels tell a clear story. Finally, polish and publish. Set a sensible refresh interval, configure user permissions, and add annotations for events. Save versions and export the dashboard JSON as a backup. Once published, monitor performance, use panel performance stats, and reduce expensive queries if needed. If something breaks, first verify the query in the Data Source Query tool, then confirm data source credentials and network access. Check Grafana server logs for errors. If queries timeout, lower time range or optimize aggregations to restore responsiveness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.